Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell your crypto using your Trust Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up our Trust Wallet. And now once you've opened up your Trust Wallet, you're brought to the home page. And now to sell crypto inside Trust Wallet, you need to have that crypto in your possession. So say for example, if you've got some Bitcoin, we want to click on Bitcoin, or we can do a search. So search whatever crypto you want to sell. And then, so for example, I'll just hit search and I'll type in a Bitcoin, BTC, and then I'm going to click on BTC. And now from here, you just want to go ahead and click on the sell button under the, so you've got a balance here. This is just for demonstration. I've got 0 BTC. But if I want to sell it anyway, I'm going to click on sell. And now you'll be brought to the sell page. And from here, you've got an American flag. You can change this currency. So I can change it to British pound, euro, and you've got all currencies below. So choose what currency you want to sell. And then say if I want to sell 1 Bitcoin, I'm going to click on 1 BTC and then go ahead and click sell. And then that will take you to the next page where you can confirm the sell and the funds will be deposited back into your account, your Trust Wallet account.